Here's how you're going to upload your resume on Indeed. So, it only takes a few clicks for you to showcase your skills using your resume to potential employers. So, this is just a very easy tutorial. All you have to do is to follow this video. Without further ado, let's get started. So first things first, you're going to make sure that you are logged in to your Indeed account by going into Indeed.com. From here, you can either create an account or you're going to sign in. Now from here, from your dashboard, you're just going to click on this icon or the profile icon at the top right corner. And then from the drop down that'll appear, all you have to do is to click on profile. From your profile, you're just going to scroll down until you find this resume section. So what you're going to do is you can either upload a resume or build an Indeed resume. If you don't have a resume prepared yet, or if you don't know how to make one, then this build an Indeed resume may be the one that is most helpful for you, because basically Indeed is going to help you build your resume using several prompts or questions that they can use to build your resume. But if you already have a resume prepared, all you have to do is to click on upload resume right here, and then you're going to choose among all of your files the resume that you have. Now once you hit on open, your resume will be added into your account, and that's it. That is how you're going to upload a resume on your Indeed account. If this video helped you, please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this.